Have you ever wondered if there's more to improving your sex life than just medication? Something you can do yourself, without relying on prescriptions or temporary fixes? Today, I'm going to show you 3 accessible and surprising practices that can transform your erection, your self-confidence, and even your relationship. And the third habit, well, almost no one knows about this one. And when they apply it, the results are astonishing. If you're not already acquainted with me, I'm Samira Posse, a specialist in both male and female intimate health, broadcasting live from the Minas Gerais countryside. And I cater to individuals who are keen to take charge of their own sexual well-being. I will elucidate everything for you in a straightforward and lucid manner, without any beating around the bush, because I understand your time is precious. Let's get straight to the crux of the matter. Erectile health isn't solely dependent on libido or testosterone. There's a detail that few people discuss: circulation. When blood doesn't properly reach the penis, nothing functions as it should. And we're not just talking about large vessels. The smallest ones, the capillaries, are crucial. And that's where habits come into play. The first habit you need to consider is the conscious training of your pelvic floor muscles. Yes, we're talking about the muscles at the base of your pelvis, the ones you instinctively engage when you try to stop urinating midstream. This muscle group is a silent powerhouse in the strength of your erection. Want to know how to get started? Set aside just 5 minutes in your day, sit comfortably, contract those muscles for 6 seconds, and relax. Repeat 12 times. Simple, straightforward, and it works. Over time, you'll notice the difference in rigidity, ejaculatory control, and even your posture. Before moving on to the second habit, take advantage of the fact that you're already here and subscribe to the channel. But listen, this isn't just another channel. Here, we talk about what truly matters, with depth and respect. And tell me in the comments, were you already familiar with this type of exercise? Have you tried it? Do you feel a difference? Share with us, because what you experience can help another man understand that he's not alone. Let's move on to the second habit, applying negative pressure with a penis pump. It may seem odd at first, but this method is well established in rehabilitation protocols. Essentially, the pump creates a controlled vacuum that stimulates blood flow to the penis. It's not magic, it's pure physiology. Automatic and manual versions exist. The automatic ones are more practical, but the most crucial aspect is to use them with guidance and safely. By no means should you impulsively purchase just any model, all right? Incorrect usage can cause pain and even serious injuries. With 10 to 20 minutes of use, 3 times a week, many people report significant improvement within a few months. And you don't need to have severe erectile dysfunction to benefit. This method is preventive as well. It strengthens tissues, improves oxygenation, and, as a bonus, boosts self-esteem. Now, let's discuss a topic you've likely never encountered in casual conversations: the penile extender. This is a device that, when used with proper guidance, facilitates gradual and controlled traction on the penis. It may sound like something out of science fiction, but it's widely employed in men's intimate health centers, including those outside of Brazil. This habit demands consistency, requiring daily use for up to 2 hours over the course of several months. Why does this work? Traction stimulates neovascularization, enhances circulation, and may even foster slight gains in length. However, the primary focus lies elsewhere: reconditioning the penile structure and optimizing erectile function. If you are disciplined, the benefits will manifest and extend far beyond the bedroom. Your self-assurance will transform, as will your relationship with your own body. However, a word of caution: seek out adjustable devices that are compatible with your physique, and gradually acclimate yourself to the duration of their use. You've seen here that we're not talking about miraculous promises or canned solutions. These are simple, science-based habits that can revolutionize your sex life in a natural and lasting way. It all begins with information, progresses through decision-making, and is realized through action. So, if this content has helped you, made you think, or even given you a new idea of where to start, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Here, we address what no one else dares to talk about, without shame, without taboo. And tell me in the comments, were you already familiar with any of these methods? What was your experience? Share with the community. Your story might be the push another guy needs to change as well. If you've learned something new today, Please share your experience in the comments. This exchange is far more valuable than any statistic. Warm regards, and until the next video.